To my channel. This is Kania. So I filmed 3 videos today. I filmed one as I get ready with me, which is uploading as we speak. I filmed my Sephora Playbox unboxing and my Sephora haul. But those 2 videos I filmed outside of the bathroom on my camera on my phone. And I filmed both videos, the entire thing on the selfie camera. So what you got a video of was the back of me, was me talking behind the camera, but the camera was facing the mirror. Oh my God. So I'm about to upload them. I'm like, what is, oh man. So take 2. We're going to do my Sephora unboxing, my Sephora Playbox unboxing. Yay! Surprise. Now I have put everything back in the bag, in my one bag. So let's filter it all out. This month's theme is Beauty Scope, your 2019 Beauty Scope. And I will just read a couple of horoscopes here. Let's read who's in January. Aquarians just want to live their best free-spirited life. The non-conformist attitude means you're more likely to start trends than follow them. Lean into your creative side and you'll be rocking next year's must-have hairstyle before anyone else. And how about Virgo? Leo? No, let's read Scorpio. Scorpions are calculated and tactical, always thinking 3 steps ahead. Bring that strategic nature into your makeup routine and use products like long-wear foundations and lipsticks that will never let you down. I no longer use foundation. This is just my skin with some Charlotte Tilbury concealer. Thank you very much. Okay. First thing in the bag. Sort of. I can't believe I did that. Ah, goodness gracious. Okay. Is this everything else? Oh, this is all my haul. Okay. First thing in the bag, we'll open up, we'll look at this. What is this? The Beauty Blender Solid Pro. So it's black and it's just a solid that you use with your beauty blender. You wet the beauty blender, you rub it on there and it cleans it. I don't have a beauty blender anymore. I don't really use it. I used it a lot. I used it to death. And then I just found alternatives, and I don't really use sponges. I use brushes. So maybe I might get a new one. You know what? I think I got one in a sample. I have a beauty blender. I think I have the little mini one that you use for your eyes. Anyway, next in the bag, the Belief Moisturizing Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. So this is for oily skin types, I believe. Lock and seal in explosive hydration overnight. I really need to be wearing my glasses. Okay, next in the bag, Drunk Elephant, which I've been really wanting to try some of their products. I think I had several in my huge haul that I had of all my beauty boxes, the ones that I gave away, and I gave those products away. So I'm keeping this one, and it's the Retro Whipped Cream, and it's a moisturizer. And this is their packaging is cute, simple, and kind of color coordinated. I think. I'm not really sure. It's just cute and simple. Next in the bag, this is actually the first thing I pulled out when I first recorded it. And this is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And this is a deeply exfoliates for a clear and radiant complexion. Visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation, which I have under my eyes and a little bit on my lower half of my face. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles, which I have under my eyes. Thank you very much for lack of sleep. Appreciate you. The next thing in the bag is the Bite Beauty lip crayon, and it is in the color Glacé. And it's a really pretty mauve pink. Probably a really good nude. I've been doing nude lips since, I think, November. I started with ColourPop's Femme, which I will be restocking. It was like a plummy purple nude, and this is Mess Around by ColourPop. They no longer have this at all, so I don't know what I'm going to do with myself because this is a gorgeous neutral brown. Last thing in my Sephora Playbox was this Miragio Miraggio Hair Care, and it's a shampoo and conditioner, a nourishing cleansing cream, and a deep treatment butter. So those look excellent. They're really good samples, so probably use those twice. I don't wash my hair every day. It does get wet every day pretty much, but it doesn't get thoroughly washed and dried. So I might use that on the next one. I might save that for like when I travel, because I do plan on having a trip soon. Shout out to Arctic Coolers. This is one of their cups. This is not a sponsored video. I am just letting you know I really like this cup. Okay, so that's everything in the bag. The bag this month was like this. Opens bag, pours out samples, high five self. And I said this earlier, I'm going to say it again. I am not a fan of these plastic bags. I don't know why they got away from the cloth bags. I don't know whose decision that was, but I am not a fan. I am not PETA. I am not Earth First by a long means, but I do not feel that these are heading in the right direction that Sephora calls themselves to be heading in, because they're trying to get all these clean brands and natural and all that stuff, and that's great. I don't use all natural products for everything, but, and I'm not, you know, all cloth everything, but these bags, you send them every month and you send them to millions of people. How horrible would it be to see one of those 60-minute news reports or whatever, or those free the people, whatever it's called, naturalist, eco-friendly shows, documentaries, and you see like some duck or a little baby turtle trapped in this freaking Sephora bag. Like, I don't know. It just bugs me, because the cloth ones were so much better and so much nicer and cuter, and these seem just like the cheap alternative, and I'm not a fan. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Sephora probably doesn't care, and that's fine. This is probably way cheaper and easier, and everybody gets the same one. Everybody got the same with the other one, and they're much more recyclable as a paper, as a cloth bag, and more usable than a plastic bag. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. That's all I have to say. Okay, so that's it. I had my hair up earlier during our filming. Now you can see how really gorgeous it's looking after it's dried all day. I did run errands today, and yeah, so, and I finally sat down to upload the videos, and boom, there you go. That's what happened. And it's actually pretty nice, because I was filming the first or second video? The first video. I was filming this video, my Sephora Play unboxing. My son walked in the room, walked back home into the apartment, and I was like, oh, look, there he is. Okay, so yeah. And I don't know how I did not realize that I was filming it backwards the whole entire time, but whatevs. Okay, first thing I'm going to use in this box probably would be the Belief. I don't know how you say it, but that's how it's spelled. And it's a K-beauty brand, a Korean beauty brand. And honestly, that's probably going to be the first thing. And I'll use it in a couple days when I get back from the beach. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope I made you smile. If you have anything in your box that you're looking forward to using more than anything else, let me know. I probably will use this Beauty Blender cream cleanser. You know what? I probably won't. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to find one of my friends that uses their Beauty Blender all the time, and I'm probably going to give this to her. Recycle, reuse, recycle. Sharing is caring. That's what it's all about. Have a blessed week. Thanks for watching. Peace.